There are really 5 things that everybody should know about their mortgage. Now, I know mortgages are really big and scary, complicated contracts, and there are a lot of questions that need to be answered, but there are really 5 things that you as a consumer, as a borrower really, should know about your mortgage. Number 1, what's the term and amortization of the mortgage? The term refers to the length of time that you're in that contract, whether it's a 3-year mortgage, 5-year mortgage. 5 years kind of the vanilla flavor in the industry. And you should also know what the amortization is. The amortization, of course, refers to the total length of time that it's going to take to pay off the mortgage. Number 2, you should know about your interest rate. Is it a fixed rate mortgage or is it a variable rate mortgage? And if it's a variable rate mortgage, you should definitely understand that your monthly payment is going to fluctuate as the prime rate changes. Number 3, what's your payment frequency? Do you pay bi-weekly? Are you paying bi-weekly accelerated? Is it monthly? Is it semi-annually? You should definitely know the answer to that question. And of course, if you're already paying for your mortgage, you definitely know what your frequency is. Number 4, what are the privileges and penalties involved in the mortgage? Not all mortgages are built the same. So when we talk about privileges, that's where we're talking about the prepayment privileges, how often you can prepay. Is it monthly, where you can increase the monthly payment by X amount? Can you make a lump sum payment? If so, by how much? Some lenders don't allow it. Other lenders will allow you to go all the way up to 25%. And the penalties, really important. If you break your term early, how much are you going to have to pay to break that mortgage? Is it 3-month interest? Is it interest rate differential, also known as IRD? Really important questions that you should be asking your mortgage specialist before you sign on that dotted line. And the 5th and final thing that you should know about your mortgage is what happens if you sell and move within the term. So is your mortgage portable? That means, can you take your mortgage with you when you move? That way you save yourself the penalty for breaking the mortgage. And alternatively, is your mortgage assumable? That means if somebody buys your home, can you sell your home with your mortgage attached to it? Anyways, these are 5 very basic things. If you don't know the answer to these, you may want to consider asking your mortgage specialist again or finding another mortgage specialist. And as you already know, I'm Chris. I hate paying mortgage interest, and so should you. Now, if you found this information useful or you'd like to comment, please email me at chris@tridacmortgages.com. That's chris@tridacmortgages, plural.com.